everyone, I am Vinoda working as Solution Architect in GT Technologies Private Limited. Today we are going to see a new feature from Microsoft, Sensitive by Default. It blocks the guest users when a new file is added in SharePoint Online. Previously, we have two ways to block external access in Microsoft 365 SharePoint Online. First, using DLP policies, we can secure the content located in SharePoint. But scanning the content and applying rules in a DLP processing is not an immediate one. The second way is we can restrict external sharing in SharePoint Admin Center. That is, we can limit the scope of sharing in SharePoint Admin Center. But it also limits the user's ability to collaborate outside the organization. So the problem is when we add new files to SharePoint Online or OneDrive for Business, the DLP policy takes time to crawl, index, scan and apply the rule. If the external sharing is turned on in your tenant, the secure content might be shared before the DLP processing gets completed. Here in the new feature, we can mark the new files as sensitive by default until at least one DLP policy takes effect. If the newly added file has no sensitive content, then the guest can access the file as same as tenant users. But if there is a sensitive content, then it restricts the guest to access the file based on policy. By using the new simple commandlet option, you can enable sensitive by default. In existing commandlet set SPO tenant, we got a new option called mark new file sensitive by default. There we can provide two values, block external sharing and allow external sharing. Let's see this in action. Download latest SharePoint Online Management Shell and connect to SharePoint as Global Administrator or SharePoint Administrator and run the command set SPO tenant, and the option is mark new file sensitive by default and the value as block external sharing. This applies to the entire tenant and this tenant-wide setting takes around 15 minutes to come into effect. The main thing is please configure at least one DLP policy which includes all SharePoint sites. This is a new SharePoint site and I have logged in as administrator and this site has a guest users. Now I am going to upload a new file. The new file is uploading. Yes, it's here. Next I am going to access a newly added file as a guest user. Let's see how it affects on guest user. This is a guest user account. I am trying to access the file. Yes, it restricts the guest user access and it displays the file is being scanned right now. If there is no sensitive content in the file, the guest user can access the file after some minutes. Yes, this feature greatly helps us to secure our sensitive content immediately after we added new files. These are all the additional information you can refer. Thank you for watching.